Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will explore the intricate process of repairing the electronic board of the Lenovo X7. To start, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, tweezers, a multimeter, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Ensure your workspace is free of static electricity by using an anti-static wrist strap. Begin by removing the back cover of the Lenovo X7. Locate the screws securing the cover. Typically, you will find a mix of short and long screws. Keep these organized in a tray to prevent confusion later. Once the screws are out, gently pry the cover open using a flathead screwdriver, ensuring not to damage any clips. Next, inspect the electronic board for any visible damage or burnt components. Use your multimeter to test the functionality of various parts, such as capacitors and resistors. A professional diagnosis without obligation can help identify issues you might overlook. If you're unsure about the results, don't hesitate to reach out for expert assistance. For cleaning the board, apply isopropyl alcohol to a lint-free cloth or use a soft brush to remove dust and debris. Pay special attention to connectors and solder points. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to make any calls or travel. Once the board is clean, check all connections and reseat any loose components. If you need to replace any parts, make sure to get a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. Reassemble the board carefully, following the reverse order of disassembly. Reinsert all screws, ensuring they are tightened appropriately without over-torquing, which can lead to further damage. After reassembly, power on the device to test functionality. If it doesn't power up or you encounter issues, consider reaching out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, our services include no calls, no travel, and convenient solutions to get your Lenovo X7 back in optimal condition. By following these steps, you can confidently tackle repairs on your Lenovo X7 electronic board and ensure its longevity. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.